Hi friends, today I will show you how to set games to high priority on Windows 10 or 11. First, make sure the target game or application is actively running on your computer. In my case, League of Legends is currently open because I want to set it as a high priority. Then, type Task Manager into the Windows search bar and open it. Next, click the Details tab. Find the game or application you want to set as high priority in this list, and right-click on it. Move your mouse cursor to the Set Priority tab and select High from the newly opened tab. Then, click the Change Priority button. Don't forget to restart your computer for all these changes to take effect properly. I hope this tutorial video on how to set games or apps to high priority on Windows 10 or 11 was helpful. If you wish, you can subscribe to the Error Slayer YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day.